This is Roger from ControlUp, and today we're going to go over downloading and launching the software for the first time. So the first thing you want to do is go to ControlUp.com. So once you get to ControlUp.com, there's going to be a link button to download free trial. This is just a link to the latest executable software. So once you start downloading the ControlUp zip file to your machine, you can then unzip that file that we're going to go through here to speed up the process. And now the control executable, I'm going to create a shortcut to the desktop. Now we're going to launch the application for the very first time. So here we go. So let's double click on the shortcut that you created in the previous step, and this will launch the ControlUp executable. So once the ControlUp executable launches, you will be presented with a button to create a new account. This is the first time you're logging in, so you want to go ahead and put in your work email address, your first name, your last name, your password. Click I agree. This is just to validate the email that's going to be sent to you. Click sign up, and you'll get a message saying that you were sent the email from support@controlup.com. Make sure you open and click the link in that email. Now you're going to create your organization. It's the first time you're logging in, so you want to create your organizational name. Here I'm using BizCorp. Click OK. And once this connects, I am now connected inside of ControlUp. So this is the ControlUp screen that you'll see for the very first time. So now let's go over the ControlUp real-time console. Okay, so let's get started. So first we're going to look at the tabs and ribbon bar. Here you'll find a set of ribbons which include all the actions you'll need when using the real-time console. They're separated by different tabs, which includes the Home tab, the ControlUp Insights tab, the Settings tab, and the Help tab. The organizational tree. Well, this is a graphical display of all the managed computers that are currently added to the console, and these computers are arranged in a folder structure that you actually create yourself. Navigational bar and views. Here you can switch between views like hosts, computers, sessions, and so forth, or navigate back and forth between recently visited views, or use the search button to search for items in the grid. The grid. This is the main display area of the console. This is where all the metrics and counters are displayed from the managed computers in the organizational tree. You can also sort, group, and filter by those managed computers in this area as well. Next, we have the Actions panel. Here you'll find all the available actions for the items you select in the grid. The actions that you see here are also available when you right-click on an item in the grid, so usually I just keep this panel minimized. The monitors panel. In this area, you'll see the status of all of the ControlUp monitor services that you have installed in your organization. Window panes. This menu allows you to switch between different panes inside of the ControlUp console that deals with different functionality of the software. But the majority of your time will usually be spent inside the My Organization window pane. The status bar displays the information regarding your current ControlUp session. This includes information like your ControlUp username, whether or not you're using the cloud version of the software or the on-prem version of the software, and other things like the version number of the console. So now you have an overview of the real-time console. I'm Roger from ControlUp. Thanks for your time today. Hope you have a great day.